What's going on? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with a VeVe update video. Super pumped. As you can tell, Star Wars is coming back to VeVe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's jump into it and see what we might have coming. So you can see Reverend Alex G on Twitter confirmed we have 4 drops coming. Drop 1 is Thursday, 12 p.m. Pacific in blind box format. We have the Lightsaber Collection, Series 1. So super pumped for this. Also, big news, that video that played is a trailer. They're going to be playing at the Star Wars convention. So marketing is starting, for those who wondered. Looks like they just dropped this too. New comic book, Sergeant Fury, #1 is coming out also on Thursday. So they had already announced the comic book. I was kind of speculating we'd get Star Wars #2. I still think we might get that, but we'll see. So they might have another one on Friday or Saturday. But just confirmed, Star Wars Celebration, California. If you're going to be there, look out for this on the big screens. Super pumped for this. And if we look back at the AMA with David Yu, look at what he had displayed on his desk here. So if I zoom in and just let this roll a minute, you can see we got Star Wars #1. We got that on the app. You can see we got the lightsaber. We got that confirmed coming. We also have BB-8, which I'm going to get into. And we have Darth Vader twice. So read into that what you will. I'm going to play some stuff from Crypto Show 84's channel. This was leaked Star Wars collectibles, as well as some other collectibles that we already have on the app. So check this out. This was David Yu, I believe, going through some of the VeVe collectibles, and it looked like Vader was the first thing he was showing off in this video. We also get BB-8 later on in the video. So now could be the time. These are actually coming. It would make sense. That would be, we would have those two based on his video. We already got the comic book. We got the lightsaber. And let's see what else. We got a Mickey Mouse. That would be cool to get. Part of the Mickey collection. I think one of these coming up is BB-8. So that's cool. We got Olaf. That'd be some more Disney IP. Buzz Lightyear, he's got the huge movie coming up, so we might see that sometime soon. There's the Lightning McQueen, and that looks like exactly the one we have. And there we go, right there. So there's BB-8. So super interesting. I'm going to drop links to this video below from Crypto Show 84. You can go check it out directly and shoot him a subscribe. But yeah, check out the VeVe, the last community update from April 2022. I'll drop a link to their channel as well. Let me know what you guys think. Are we getting Darth Vader? Are we getting BB-8? What could be that last drop? I'm kind of hoping for Obi-Wan Kenobi since the series is coming out. That would be dope to have the 2 main characters from that series. I'd also be fine with the Mandalorian or Boba Fett. Any of those characters would be super dope. Excited to see VeVe doing some marketing soon. Like they said, they're still on track for MTL end of Q2. So that would be June. So the way things are rolling out, it would make sense to kind of start doing some marketing just to get new users coming in, have things kind of lined up, and have everything ready. And this is a huge deal. This conference has between 65 and 100,000 attendees, so they could make a splash there. Star Wars fans are some of the biggest fans in all of fandom, so anything they can collect, they're going to want to get their hands on. If they come into the app, they can grab the first ever Star Wars comic right now, relatively cheap, around 50 gems. They're also going to be able to look at the golden moments, and some of them that might be in their price range, that might be something they want to buy. Others, they'll have 4 new drops coming for Star Wars. So super pumped about that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell. Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. How are you feeling about VeVe? How are you feeling about this announcement with Star Wars? Hopefully you're pumped like me. If you hate VeVe and you feel like you want them to fail and you want to flood the project to the ground, let me know that as well. Drop a comment below. Appreciate you guys. Check you soon. Stay legendary. Catch those Star Wars drops, and maybe we'll be lightsaber battling in the metaverse sooner than we know it. Appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next video.